Hello guys, today I'll be demonstrating a tutorial to create a Pandas data frame from a Json file. But first, what is a data frame? So a data frame is nothing but a spreadsheet or a table that consists of rows and columns of data. And I'm going to be using the student's Json file or data, and it consists of students with grades of their subjects. I have it in a folder called data, and so from here what you'll need first is to import the module pandas, and I will put that in the description on how to install it using pip. Also I will also include the students.json file in the description below so that you could follow me as well. So really quick, really easy how to do this is there's a method called readJSON which reads the JSON file and converts it to a data frame, and that's basically it. So you just do pd.readJSON and you go into that the folder data and get that students.json file, and that's simple, that's it. And then also, if you have a URL that points to a JSON file, you can create a method or a variable called URL, place in the URL to the JSON file, and then do pd.readJSON and then put that variable right there, and that's it. Basically, that's it. And then also, what I'm going to demonstrate is demonstrate the methods for the data frame. So basically, print students data frame is the data frame. So let's uncomment this. So let's uncomment it, and let's run it and see what it gives us. As you can see, it gives us the name. It gives us a table of our students with their grades in their subjects. And it's pretty simple. And another method is .head. And this will give you the top 5 rows of your data. Let's run that. As you can see, it just gives you the top 5. We only have 3, but if we had more than like 10 or more than 20, it'll just give us the top 5. Another method is info, and this just returns the info of the data frame. Let's run that. Forgot to save. There we go. So it gives you the info of the table. It gives you what the data type is and all that kind of stuff, and how many memory usage, the data types that it's using, and whatnot. Another method is columns, and it will return the columns of the table or the data frame. So it gives you ID, name, math, physics, chemistry, which is correct. ID, name, math, physics, chemistry. Another method is shape, and that basically returns a tuple that shows the dimensionality of the data frame. So let's run it. I'll give you an example. It gives you 3, 5. So there's 3 rows, right? Three data of rows, and then 5 column, which is the columns. So it gives you how much is in the table and how many columns there are. And if you have obviously more, it will show whatever number that is. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and enjoy.